Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion ngayon itong article sa politico.com.ph tungkol ito sa bangayan ni Senator Marcoleta at Senator Lacson. Medyo nakakalungkot ito dahil parehas silang matitinong senador, medyo may hindi pagkakaintindihan. Title: Naghahanap ka ba ng away? Lacson fires back at Marcoleta after Epal job. Senator Ping Lacson on Sunday bristled at neophyte Senator Marcoleta's claim that he and other senators were undermining his authority as chair of the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee in its inquiry into the alleged anomalous flood control projects of Department of Public Works and Highways. Ito ang pahayag ni Lacson. Ayaw ko ng away. Pero kung aawayin niya kami, aawayin ko rin siya. Yan po ang warning ni Senator Lacson in a radio interview after Marcoleta called him Epal and Pasikat for delivering a privileged speech on the DPWH's allegedly anomalous flood control projects. The veteran lawmaker, who has been exposing irregularities since his first term as senator in 2001, rejected Marcoleta's insinuation that he was interfering in the investigation of the Senate anti-graft panel. In his television program, The Rocky Senator, or si Marcoleta accused Lacson of violating the Senate rules when he pursued a privileged speech on the supposed fraudulent flood mitigation programs even after the Blue Ribbon panel had opened its inquiry. But Lacson shot back, saying he would not yield if Marcoleta wanted to pick a fight. Ito ang sabi niya, pinanghihimasukan namin siya. Walang nanghihimasok dito. Gusto ko lang i-correct ang misimpression na create ni Senator Marcoleta. Yan po ang payag ni Senator Lacson. Lacson said he had merely asked that the Blue Ribbon Committee's hearing scheduled on Monday be moved to another date since it coincided with the equally crucial briefing of the Development Budget Coordination Committee on the proposed 6.793 trillion national budget. Hindi lang naman siya ang pinakikiusapan ko, sabi ni Lacson. Ang manifestation ko baka pwedeng ihiwalay na lang ang petsa kasi parehong napaka-importanting mga hearing. Sabi ni Lacson, I am not belittling his Blue Ribbon Committee hearing. I recognize his mandate. But in his TV program, he was attacking us for supposedly interfering with him. We're not meddling with his authority. Okay? So, medyo nalulungkot ako sa balitang ito. Kasi parehas silang senador na may tapang at malasakit na ayaw ng korupsyon. So, wala lang, misunderstanding lang. Tingin ni Senator Marcoleta, minamaliit ni Senator Lacson ang kanyang Blue Ribbon hearing, hindi naman sumang-ayon si Senator Lacson nga hindi naman kita minamalit. So, sana maayos, sana mag-usap sila. Kasi sa laban against corruption, kailangan natin yung mga ganitong senador na may malasakit, kailangan magkaisa sila, hindi mag-away-away. Dahil ang kalaban natin, grabe, kasakiman. Anong sabi ni Senator Lacson? Beyond flood control, what the Filipino needs is greed control. Grabe ang kasakiman. Hindi naman lahat lalo na dito sa flood control, politiko, DPWH, contractor. Grabe, nag-uumapaw ang walang kabusugan sa pera. Yung mga expose ni Mayor Magalong na hindi na bolt, steel bolt ang pinagtatagwa ng kwarta nila, kundi condo room bolt na. So you can just imagine, meron pang pasabog ni Mayor Magalong na isang kongresista na lasing. Yun na, ipinagmayabang, pinakita sa bisita niya yung kadami ng pera niya nakatago sa isang kwarto, sa isang kondo. So yun na po yung greediness na nangingibabaw, naghari sa, hindi naman lahat, ulitin ko, naghari sa mangilan-ilan na mga nakapwesto sa gobyerno ngayon na may access, may control sa pondo ng taong bayan. Okay? So, again, itong sigalot nito, sana mapag-usapan nila at forgive and forget na lang. May isa pang senador na nakaaway na ni Senator Marcoleta, si Senator Pangilinan, dahil ito naman si Pangilinan, member siya ng Blue Ribbon Committee, nakaka-insulto. Sabi ni Marcoleta na nananawagan pa itong si Senator Pangilinan ng independent body to investigate itong flood control anomaly. Yan ang mandato ng Blue Ribbon. Parang ayoko yung naiinsulto, sabi ni Senator Marcoleta. Okay, salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito, pantulong natin sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ngayon ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila, itong tribo, ng mas maayos na tirahan. Kaya panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Si Angkol ang natagaan og yero, so mag-atop na ni siya karon.